everyone. My name is Zulfiqar, and welcome to another episode of Income Investors. With me today is John Whitefoot with another income pick. You see, some industries are more interesting than the others, and that can dictate what kind of attention a particular stock can receive. For example, today's income pick, Ardagh Metal Packaging SA, traded on New York Stock Exchange under symbol AMBP. The name kind of it says it all, metal packaging. That, coupled with downward pressure, AMBP stock has faced since going public in 2021. And you can understand why this stock has been largely ignored by most retail investors. But the fact of the matter is, container and packaging companies like Ardagh Metal are critical to the global economy, helping protect, transport, market, and preserve products of virtually every sector on the planet, be it fast food and beverages, pharmaceutical, cosmetics, retail, you name it. They need packaging in containers. So, John, what can you tell us about Ardagh Metal Packaging?
Thanks, Mo. Their business is pretty straightforward. Based in Luxembourg City, Luxembourg, Ardagh Metal Packaging is the only pure-play listed beverage can producer. It supplies metal beverage cans in Europe, the United States, and Brazil from its 24 production facilities in 9 countries. Its products are used in various end-use categories, including beer, carbonated soft drinks, energy drinks, hard seltzers, juices, teas, sparkling waters, and wine.
Let's talk some numbers here. How did this company do in the third quarter?
Well, for the third quarter ended September 30th, Ardagh Metals announced that revenues actually increased 10% year over year to $1.29 billion. Adjusted EBITDA grew 22% year over year to $171 million. Net income was $17 million or 2 cents per share. Well, adjusted earnings per share was pretty consistent with last year at 6 cents per share. Adjusted operating cash flow was up significantly at $179 million, and that's from $51 million in the same period last year. Year-to-date adjusted operating cash flow came in at $185 million, and that's a big improvement from the $93 million loss in the first 9 months of 2022.
What's happening with dividends here?
Well, Ardagh Packaging only went public in 2021, and it began paying a dividend in 2022, so it doesn't exactly have a long dividend history. That said, it's starting off on the right foot, having paid a 10 cents per share dividend for the last 7 quarters. Most recently, in October, the company's board declared a quarterly cash dividend of 10 cents per share, or 40 cents on an annual basis, for a current yield of 10.2%.
Share price has rebounded?
Yeah, Ardagh Metal Packaging stock has not, for the most part, fared well since going public in August 2021. In fact, it's been trending downward ever since, at least until late October 2023, after it reported solid third quarter results and guidance. It also doesn't hurt that inflation is falling. The U.S. Federal Reserve said it's done raising its key lending rate and expects to begin cutting interest rates in 2024. The U.S. is also expected to avoid a long-promised recession, which should boost consumer confidence. Now, since announcing its third quarter results, Ardagh Packaging stock has actually rallied more than 50%. Now, despite the big near-term moves, Wall Street is increasingly bullish on Ardagh stock, with analysts providing a 12-month share price forecast of around $4 and a high estimate of $5 per share.
John, thank you so much for this income pick. Just to recap, Ardagh Metal Packaging is the only pure play listed beverage can producer and has the number 2 market share in Europe and number 3 market share in North America and Brazil. It holds the number 2 position globally in the glass industry. Thanks to industry demand, which is supported by long-term megatrends such as sustainability and innovation, roughly 75% of new products launched in 2020 were in cans. The outlook for Ardagh Metal, its share price, and high-yield dividend remains robust. That's it for today, and make sure to go to incomeinvestors.com now to get our free special reports on top 3 income stocks to own today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. We'll be back with more income picks soon, so stay tuned. In the meantime, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye for now.